So HER2 is a human growth protein, and it is found to be overexpressed in about 20% of breast cancers. Um, these breast cancers are incredibly aggressive. They're very fast growing. I've known people to have a HER2 breast cancer that's gone from 1 centimeter, about this big, to about this big over a week time frame. That's a terrifying cancer. In 1998, there was a drug developed by Dr. Dennis Slamon, who actually figured out a way to target that particular protein. It's called Herceptin, and the trial was kind of the first of its kind. It actually started with metastatic breast cancer patients. Most trials today start with early stagers because the idea is you have to prevent breast cancer from becoming metastatic. The truth is, we're learning that you can't do that. Another really big myth of breast cancer is early detection saves lives. It doesn't. And this makes people angry, it makes people scared because, they thought they did everything right. The fact is, and I'm derailing a little bit here, Joe, but it's an important thing to talk about. The fact is that those metastatic cells we talked about earlier are traveling to distant parts in your body before that primary tumor is big enough to feel in your breast, big enough to see in your breast. So if you think about it, if the cancer has already traveled to distant places in your body before you can even detect a tumor, early detection is too late. This is why we see recurrence in about 30% of older people and about 50% of younger people. HER2 cancers are more aggressive, but they also tend to respond better when we're talking about drugs like Herceptin, Tykerb, Kadcyla, and Perjeta, which are all targeted immunotherapy drugs to address the HER2 overexpression in those cancers. Nearly every 10-year metastatic person that I know, 10-year and beyond, and people that are 30 years metastatic, are HER2 positive patients because of that tremendous response that they got from Herceptin. So really, it is a miracle drug for people that have a really aggressive cancer. They turn that HER2 overexpression into an Achilles heel.